In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Instagram profile to Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! To do that, you need to get into Meta Account Center. You can do it either from Instagram app or Facebook app. On Instagram, get into your profile, then hit Add Menu icon, then select Settings, scroll down and tap at Account Center. On a Facebook app, get into Menu, then hit Add That Gear icon, and then scroll down until you find Meta Account Center. In both ways, you will get into the same account center. As you can see, I got 4 different profiles here. I can tap on it and it shows me all my Facebook and Instagram profiles. Obviously, before connecting your Instagram and Facebook profiles, you have to be logged into both of them in order to add your account to Meta Account Center. Just hit on Add Accounts and then just enter username and password. After that, let's say I want to connect these 2 accounts to each other. I have to open up any of them, then tap at that account again and then select Sync Profile Info. Just hit at that switcher to turn this feature off, and then it will ask you to choose a profile to sync with. Then you can select any of your Instagram profiles. I'll pick that one and then just hit Add Continue. And then it will show you how you will appear on Instagram and Facebook, and then just hit Add Sync Profile Info. After that, your Facebook and Instagram profiles will be connected to each other and they will be combined into one Meta profile. You can find it right here. As you can see, this profile includes my Facebook and Instagram accounts. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.